In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see calories in Strava app. If you've ever finished a run, ride, or walk and wanted to quickly check how many calories you burned, this walkthrough will show you exactly where that number appears so you can find it every time with confidence. First, open the Strava app on your phone. We're using the mobile app here, and everything I'll show you works the same way on both major mobile platforms. Once the app is open, you'll be on one of the main screens, but don't worry about where you land. We're heading straight to your personal profile area where all your workouts live. Look along the bottom of the screen for the tab labeled You and tap it. This is your profile hub. It's designed to collect everything related to your activity history, personal stats, and recent uploads. If you haven't explored this area much, it's a great place to get a snapshot of your fitness progress over time. On your profile, find and tap activities. This section lists your workouts in reverse chronological order, so your most recent efforts appear at the top. You'll see your runs, rides, walks, hikes, and other activities stacked by date, making it easy to pick the one you want to review. Now choose and select an activity by tapping on it. When you open a specific workout, you'll land on a dedicated details page for that session. This is where Strava pulls together the key stats for that activity, such as distance, moving time, pace or speed, elevation, and what we're after, calories. You will see your calories there. The calorie number is typically displayed near the top of the activity details alongside your other headline stats. It's measured in kilocalories, often shown simply as kcal. If you don't spot it immediately, glance just below the main summary, as some layouts place it slightly further down the page with other metrics. The value you see is Strava's estimate for energy expenditure during that activity. Depending on the data available, it may incorporate factors like your activity type, pace or speed, elevation changes, and when present, heart rate or power data. With more detailed inputs like a paired heart rate monitor or power meter, the estimate tends to be more personalized. For shorter or easy efforts, you might notice a smaller number, which simply reflects the reduced intensity or duration. That's all there is to it. Open the app, go to You, tap Activities, select the workout you want, and your calories are right there on the activity page. Thanks for watching and enjoy tracking your progress.